This is Mech 14 in-vehicle starter testing. We've already told you how to test the battery and the battery voltage and the current usage of the starting system. So we'll just move on to voltage drop of the positive battery cable and the negative. We're just going to point out a few things here. This is the starter body, the solenoid body, this is the positive battery cable and where it connects, and this is the wire that comes from the ignition switch. First thing we'll do is the positive battery cable voltage drop. So we take our lead, our test lead, and attach it to the positive battery post onto the cable there. And then we're going to hook the other lead from our multimeter to the other end of the test lead. From there we'll go underneath the vehicle and we'll touch the other test lead to where the positive battery cable attaches to the starter. You're going to crank the engine over at that time and you're going to read the volts. The next is the voltage drop of the negative battery cable, and you do the same thing. You will attach it to the negative battery cable at the battery. You will connect the other lead to your test lead, and then you'll go back underneath the vehicle and you will touch on the body of the starter. Once you've touched on the body of the starter, you're going to crank the engine over. While the engine is cranking over, the number of volts should be less than 0.5 volts.